CUK Sentinel White Gaming PC Liquid-Cooled Intel Core i9-9900K. Reviewed discount unbox and setup. Packaging and shipping. I was a little apprehensive to purchase after reading some reviews regarding damaged or poorly assembled products. When I received the computer, it was packed in a brown outer box that was a bit abused, with about a couple of inches of space around it filled with some pink packing peanuts and the CUK box inside. The inner box with the actual computer had large styrofoam inserts to protect the computer. The package required a signature upon delivery since it was high value. The computer came on time in a couple days as expected. When unpacking the computer, I made sure to carefully inspect it since other reviews mentioned scratches or damaged components. The tempered glass side was in perfect condition and had a protective film on it. Not sure how another customer said the glass shattered upon unpacking since the film would have kept that from happening. Inside the actual case was a special foam pack that was used to make sure the components, especially the video card, would not jostle around inside the case. All I had to do was remove the 4 screws on the glass panel to remove the foam pack inside. Components and build quality. The system came with an MSI Z378 Pro motherboard, 2X Team Group Vulkan T4 16GB 2666mHz DDR4 RAM chips, an Asus Turbo GeForce RTX 2080, Intel i9-9900K processor, a 500GB NVMe drive, and a 2TB 7200 RPM HDD. The build quality was good with all the cables neatly organized and out of view. The package came with an envelope with all the component manuals and extra cables. The system did not come with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth built in, so I purchased a separate card for both that was basically plug and play. The system also came with a checklist sheet signed off by the tech that built it and a QA person. Everything was checked off, but the only thing they missed was attaching the HDD with screws, so it was loose in the case, but in an enclosed part of it where it wouldn't mess with any other components. They included all the extra screws, so I was able to attach it myself. They also replaced the OEM case screws with thumb screws for easier access. Noise. The sound is a bit louder than my previous HP computer, but that was expected considering the components and amount of fans. There was a very, very faint pulsing buzz from one of the front-mounted case fans, but I basically had to bring my head right up to the case to hear it. I only discovered it because it was shaking the Wi-Fi antenna I placed on top of the case, so I just moved the antenna and I don't really notice it. Speed and performance. The computer is fast. I play on a 3840 by 1600 screen and was able to get very smooth performance on Planet Coaster with everything on full. I mainly bought it for video editing, and performance in Premiere Pro is great. The 2080 and 2080 Ti have almost similar performance in Premiere Pro, so I went with the 2080 system. I was able to stack quite a few effects and still get smooth real-time performance with this system. I'm looking forward to being a lot more productive. My only issue is that the GPU runs pretty hot. It was maxing out at 85 degrees Celsius while playing some games. See update. Other thoughts. The system came with a little remote you can use to change the color and light pattern of the case fans. I thought that was pretty cool. The case has a white light that shines out of the bottom groove in front of the case when it's on. That didn't change color with the fans. I haven't checked if I could change it somehow yet. The GPU, Asus Turbo GeForce RTX 2080, also does not have a backplate, so it looks kinda ugly, IMO, in the case how it's mounted. The case has an optional vertical mount for the GPU, but you'll need some extra stuff for that. Since my GPU is already running hot, I probably won't vertical mount it since it will probably sit too close to the side of the case and reduce airflow to the GPU. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.